CSC equation. Myself Subhendu Kumar Dani, lecturing in mathematics. Today I am discussing about the topic solution of differential equations. Okay, solution of differential equation are two types. Okay, first of all, general solution. Another one is particular solution. Particular solution. Particular solutions. Okay, alright. So first of all, derive what are the types of general solution. This is the most important part of a solution of differential equations. Okay. Type 1. Okay, alright. Type 1. The differential equation is the form of dy by dx equals to f of x. So that I will just starting form dy by dx to f of x. That is the differential equation. If your questions is dy by dx equals to f of x, that means in the right hand side x is the form of a left hand side. Okay, y is a function of x. Here is the differential part. The differential equation is the form of dy by dx equal to f of x. Okay, so in this type, first of all separation the form. So first dy equals to firstly f of x of d of x. First converted in the form of dy by dx equal to f of x. First we have to choose this part. Then separation of y, the y form, x the x form. Now dy equal to f of x equal of dx. Now this implies integrating both sides. So dy equals to integration of f of x of dx. So solution is now y equals to in the capital F of x plus of c. That is the general solution of a differential equation. Okay. My meaning is that in the given question, differential equation is the form of dy by dx equals to f of x. So firstly, separation of the variable factor, that means dy equals to f of x of dx. Now integrating both sides. Then find the function of f of x. Integrating both sides. So the solution is y equals to f of x of c. That is the general solution of a type 1. I am given examples of this type of form. Self dy by dx equals to, suppose x square plus of x plus of 1, x square plus x of plus of 1. In the questions, dy equals to x square plus x plus of 1. Firstly, given data is your questions. Dy by dx equals to here x square plus x plus of 1. Now separation the variable factor, dy equals to x in the form, so that dy equals to x square plus x plus of 1 in the dx. Alright. Now this implies that integrating both sides, dy equals to integrations of x square plus x plus 1 of dx. Firstly, Okay. In the derivative integration of this part, d is the y form, so it is the value y equals to, in the algebra integrations, x square of dx is the power of 2, 2 plus of 1 divided by 2 plus 1, that is the value of x to power 3 by 3 plus x square by 2 plus x plus c. Take your answer. Okay. Alright. Again, another examples given to you. Solve dy by dx equals to sine of x plus x to power 5. Okay, alright. This is your question. Now your answer. First of all, your previous type is dy by dx is f of x. So dy by dx equal to sine of x plus x to power 5. Okay, right? The given questions dy by dx equals to sin x plus x to power 5. First of all, your question which type of a given to you. Okay? Here, given is a form of dy by dx to f of x. That means we separate the function dy equals to sin x plus x to power 5 of dx. First case. Then integrating both sides, dy equals to integrations of sin x plus x to power 5 of dx. Okay. Now this implies in the integration d of something value is something. That means y. In the integration of sin x is minus of cos x plus x to power 5, that means x to power n. In the formula, x to power 5 plus of 1, that means 6 divided by 6 plus of c. That is your answer. Okay. I have discussed about another form, type 2. Type 2. In the differential equation of the solution of differential equations. Type 2. In the type 2, the differential equation is the form, differential equation is the form of dy by dx equals to f of y. So that in this form, separation the variables, so that dy by f of y equals to dx. Now convert the factor dx equals to dy by f of y of, now integrating both sides, dx equals to integration of dy by f of y plus c. That is your solution. Okay. I have example of this type. Question is, solve dy by dx equals to 1 plus of y square. Okay. Now solution. Firstly, given differential equation, which type of form? Here the type of form is dy by dx equal to 1 plus y square. So given data is dy by dx equals to 1 plus of y square. Now this implies separation the value 1 plus y square dy by dx equal to dx, or dx equal to dy by 1 plus of y square. In the integrations, dx equals to integration of dy by 1 plus y square. Now in the integrations, x equals to here dy by dx. We know that the integrations of dx divided by 1 plus of y x square equals to tan inverse of x plus c. So that here factor is dy by 1 plus y square. So tan inverse of y plus c. That is your answer. Okay. Another example, I am putting this type. Question is, suppose dy by dx equals to y square plus of 1 minus 5. Okay. Firstly, convert the factor dy by dx equals to y square plus 1 minus 5. Now dy by dx equals to here y square 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5, that means that the value is minus 4. Okay, alright. Now dy by dx equals to y square equals to 2 square. Now this implies dx equals to dy by y square minus 2 square. Okay, that is a form of, that is another important part, dx divided by x square minus of a square equals to, with the formula. Okay, so it is the fractional part. That means x square minus a square equals to, in the partial fraction of a integration is, first we solve this part in the partial fraction, so that let 1 divided by, because the y divided by y square minus 2 square, that means y square minus 2 equals to here square a divided by y minus 2 plus b divided by y plus 2. Okay. In this part, now 1 by y minus 2 into y plus 2 equals to a of y plus 2 plus b of y minus 2 whole divided by y minus 2 into y plus 2. Now cancel these two parts, so that value is 1 equals to a of y plus 2 plus b of y minus 2. Alright. Now solving the constant factor in this equation, that is the equation number 1. Now we have to find the value of a and b. Okay. So here put y equals to, suppose minus 2. Y minus 2, because in the constant factor a into y plus 2, that is the value plus of 2, that means y putting minus 2. Then we get a constant factor, that means in the left hand side 1 equals to, that is the value a into 0 plus b of minus 2b, that means 1 equals to minus 2b, that means b equals to, minus 4b, b equals to now minus 1 by 4. Okay, b equals to minus, so b equals to minus 1 by 4. Okay, alright. Again, another part, that is p of y minus 2, so that put these equations put y equals to 2, because y minus 2 here minus, that value is putting plus of 2. So 1 equals to a into 2 plus 2 plus b into 0. That means a equals to 1 by 4. A equals to 1 by 4, b equals to minus 1 by 4. Now substitute these two value in these equations. Okay, alright. So here now 1 by y square minus 2 square equals to a value is 1 by 4 of y minus 2 minus, because plus and minus will be minus 1 by 4 1 by y plus 2 or 1 by y square. Okay, now therefore in the integration of dy by dy by therefore dx of integration equals to dy of integration of y square minus 2 square of integration. This implies x, here 1 by 4 is a constant factor in the integration part, 3y by 1 minus 2 minus dy by y plus 2. Okay, now the solution is here. X equals to 1 by 4 ln y minus 2 minus ln y plus 2 plus, or x equals to 1 by 4 in the value is ln y minus 2 by y plus 2 plus c. Here the answer. Okay, today I will discuss in the solution of differential equation of two types. Subscribe my channels or subscribe my channels and comments me any problem, any doubts, try to share or any type of problem, comments my channels, then I put over your problem solved. Okay, thank you.